Hello all, welcome to Social Justice Prelims Model Question Series. We will discuss upon a scheme known as the Atal Bimit Vyakti Kalyan Yojana. Atal Bimit Vyakti Kalyan Yojana. So let us see a question based on this. Atal Bimit Vyakti Kalyan Yojana is an initiative related to, and the options are accident claims for insured persons under ESI Act, data migration and security related repayments for citizens, relief payable in case of unemployment, protection of agriculture and crops of farmers from any climatic eventualities. We will now see what the scheme Atal Bimit Vyakti Kalyan Yojana is all about. This scheme Atal Bimit Vyakti Kalyan Yojana, this is a scheme which is being implemented by the ESIC, that is Employee State Insurance Corporation. Employee State Insurance Corporation. For what? And this has been mainly implemented to the formal sector workers who are part of the ESI Insurance Act, and if those people are unemployed for whatever be the reasons, if the people or the formal sector's workers who are employed are becoming unemployed, through the scheme, cash incentives will be transferred into the bank accounts of these people so as to tackle upon their unemployment. This is the idea of Atal Bimit Vyakti Kalyan Yojana, a scheme which is to tackle upon the unemployment among the formal sector's workers who are registered under the ESI Corporation or under the ESI Act. Now, what this basically does is, suppose that an employee in a formal sector worker who was registered with the ESI is having or he is losing his job for whatsoever reasons, be it a factory closure, be it a performance issue, be it a union issue, be it a climatic issue, whatever be the reasons, an employee is losing a job and he is now in a status of jobless for a period of around 3 months. So 3 months is one of the key factors which we need to note, and in case of 3 months of employment, this scheme, according to this scheme, cash incentives will be transferred into the bank accounts of these people to tackle upon the unemployment. Now, what is ESIC? That is Employee State Insurance Corporation. It is basically a statutory autonomous corporation under the Ministry of Labour and Employment. So, the scheme has been implemented by ESIC, which is under the Ministry of Labour and Employment. Now, basically, you know that this scheme involves transferring a fund into the employee's account. So from where the money is being pumped into. This is actually happening from the money which the employees have earned for themselves, or it is actually from the employee's account itself the money is being transferred. I'll tell you precisely what it is. Suppose an employee is working in a formal sector factory. During or when the monthly salary is being paid for this person, what happens is nearly 4.75% of his monthly salary will be going to ESI as the employer's contribution, and 1.75% of the income will be going as an employee share. 4.75% as employee's contribution and 1.75% as employee scheme. And when a person is having job, this amount keeps on accumulating on every monthly salary of this person. And ultimately it is from this amount which has been accumulated over the years that this repayment allowance is being paid upon. So, no extra additional cost has been involved under this scheme. Then, the beneficiaries are, or the people who are going to benefit out of these schemes are those people who have subscribed to the ESIC for 2 years. So, you should have been subscribed to the ESI Act or ESI Insurance Act for close to 2 years, and you will be able to the maximum of 47% of the value which is being accumulated over the 2-year period minimum. So, imagine a case. In the first month of your salary, you have transferred X amount. Next month you have transferred Y amount. The third month you have transferred Z amount. So this has been all accumulating, and over a period of years, let you get M, which is equal to X plus Y plus Z. So it is only 47% of this value is the maximum amount which the people are going to get under the Atal Bimit Vyakti Kalyan Yojana scheme. Then this people will have or the person who is unemployed, he will have the option to choose whether he need the money at a single go or in different installments. So that is one flexibility which the scheme is actually providing to people. This scheme is applicable to all factories and employment institutions which is employing at least 10 workers. So at least 10 workers is being employed by somebody, then, and you are working in such a company, in such an organization, then you are liable to get the benefit under the Atal Bimit Vyakti Kalyan Yojana. That is it. We'll quickly revise the ideas behind the scheme. This has been implemented by the ESIC, that is Employee State Insurance Corporation, mainly for the formal sector workers. And when a formal sector worker is becoming unemployed for a period of around at least minimum of 3 months, is when he is going to get the benefit of this one. Now, so 3 months in a row, then this ESI is a statutory autonomous corporation under Ministry of Labour and Employment. Then this scheme will be funded by the employees themselves. That is, when they were having job, close to 4.75% were going as employees' contribution, and 1.75% of their monthly income were going as an employee share. So this cumulates, and 47% of this one is the maximum which they could get. Unemployment benefit to the tune of 47% of their total contribution. Then relief will be payable in cash directly to the bank account of the insured person in case of unemployment. So any middleman's interference will not be there while the scheme is being implemented. So the amount will be transferred straight away into the account of the person. Then they can choose to receive the cash at one go or in installments, and this scheme should be applicable to all factories and establishments employing at least 10 workers. We will now quickly go back and see the question. This is an initiative related to accident claims for insured persons under ESI Act? No. Data migration and security related repayments for citizens? No. Relief payable in case of unemployment? True. Protection of agriculture and crops of farmers from any climatic eventualities? False. So the correct answer is option C. Thank you so much.